To create a more detailed comparison between the MacBook Air 13-inch with M3 chip and the Acer Aspire Go 15, let's break down each aspect more comprehensively. Introduction. When deciding between a MacBook Air 13-inch M3 and an Acer Aspire Go 15, it's essential to understand that these devices cater to different users. The MacBook Air is a high-end premium laptop focused on performance, portability, and design, while the Acer Aspire Go offers a more budget-friendly option with solid specs for everyday use. In this deep dive, we'll compare performance, design, battery life, display quality, ecosystem compatibility, and overall value to help you determine which is the better choice for your needs. 1. Performance MacBook Air 13-inch M3 chipset. Powered by the latest Apple M3 chip, the MacBook Air features an 8-core CPU and up to 10-core GPU. This chip is built on Apple's own architecture, which integrates CPU, GPU, and memory on a single chip. This allows for faster processing speeds, greater energy efficiency, and seamless multitasking across demanding applications. RAM. The base model starts with 8 GB of unified memory, RAM, which can be upgraded to 16 GB or 24 GB. The unified memory architecture means that both the CPU and GPU share the same memory pool, allowing for faster performance across tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and graphic design. Storage. The MacBook Air starts with 256 GB of SSD storage, but you can configure it up to 2 TB. The SSD is extremely fast, contributing to quick boot times and rapid file transfers. Operating system. It comes with macOS Sonoma, optimized to take full advantage of the M3 chip. macOS is known for being smooth, stable, and designed for creative and professional tasks. Graphics. Performance. The M3 chip's integrated GPU makes it capable of handling graphics-intensive tasks such as 4K video editing, light 3D modeling, and even some gaming. Although it's not a gaming laptop per se, Apple's hardware optimization ensures decent performance in games that are available on macOS. Efficiency. Due to the M3's architecture, power efficiency is a key feature. This means it performs well under heavy loads while maintaining low heat generation, ensuring longer battery life. Acer Aspire Go 15 chipset. The Acer Aspire Go 15 typically comes with Intel Core i5 or i7 processors, 13th generation, or AMD Ryzen 5 or 7 processors, depending on the configuration. These processors provide strong performance for daily computing tasks such as browsing, streaming, and light content creation. RAM. The Aspire Go 15 offers 8 GB to 16 GB of RAM, which is sufficient for most users. However, unlike Apple's unified memory architecture, the RAM here is separated from the GPU, which may lead to less efficiency in graphics-heavy tasks. Storage. The Acer Aspire Go typically comes with 256 GB to 1 TB of SSD storage, offering solid speed for everyday tasks, but not quite as fast as the MacBook Air's SSD. Operating system. The laptop runs Windows 11, which is widely used and compatible with a large range of software, including many enterprise applications and PC games. Windows 11 offers an intuitive interface with features aimed at both casual and professional users. Graphics. Performance. For models with integrated Intel, Iris Xe, or AMD Radeon graphics, the Aspire Go 15 can handle basic photo and video editing, light gaming, and multimedia tasks. However, it's not built for intensive 3D rendering or high-end creative work like the MacBook Air. If you opt for a version with dedicated graphics, which some Aspire models offer, it can handle more demanding tasks, but battery life will be affected. Efficiency. While Intel and AMD chips are efficient, they do not reach the same level of power efficiency as Apple's M3. The Acer will use more power during intensive tasks, resulting in shorter battery life. Performance comparison. The MacBook Air. M3 is the clear winner in terms of raw performance, especially when it comes to creative workflows, thanks to the powerful M3 chip and unified memory architecture. The Acer Aspire Go 15 is better suited for general computing tasks and basic creative work. It offers good performance for its price, but can't compete with the seamless integration and raw power of the M3 chip, especially in heavy multitasking and professional-grade applications. 2. Design and build quality. MacBook Air 13-inch M3 build quality. The MacBook Air is known for its iconic aluminum unibody design, which feels premium, sturdy, and ultra-light. Apple's build quality is consistently high, with attention to detail in both aesthetics and durability. The laptop feels like a luxury product, designed to be both beautiful and functional. Weight and thickness. Weighing just 2.7 pounds, 1.22 kilograms, and measuring only 0.44 inches, 11.5 millimeters thick, the MacBook Air is incredibly portable. Its thin profile and light weight make it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone frequently on the go. Keyboard and trackpad. The Magic Keyboard is backlit and offers a satisfying typing experience with well-spaced keys and good travel. The Force Touch trackpad is large and responsive, offering pressure sensitivity for various tasks like drawing or zooming. Apple's trackpad is widely regarded as one of the best in the industry. Ports. It has 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, which support high-speed data transfer, charging, and external display connections. However, the lack of more diverse ports, USB-A, HDMI, might be limiting for some users. Acer Aspire Go 15 build. Quality. The Aspire Go has a plastic or aluminum chassis, depending on the model. While functional, the design is more utilitarian and less premium compared to the MacBook Air. However, it is sturdy enough for daily use, though it may feel a bit less refined. Weight and thickness. The Aspire Go weighs around 3.64 pounds, 1.65 kilograms, making it noticeably heavier than the MacBook. It's also thicker at 0.71 inches, 18 millimeters. While still portable, it's not as slim or light as the MacBook Air, and carrying it around will feel bulkier. Keyboard and trackpad. The keyboard is comfortable and functional, often featuring a full-size number pad, which is absent on the MacBook. However, the typing experience may feel less refined than on Apple's Magic Keyboard. The trackpad is decent, but doesn't compare to the MacBook Airs in terms of responsiveness or size. Ports. The Acer Aspire Go offers a wider range of connectivity options, with USB-A ports, USB-C, HDMI, and a microSD card slot, providing more flexibility in terms of peripherals. Design comparison. The MacBook Air M3 excels in build quality, design, and portability. Its sleek aluminum body, lightweight feel, and superior keyboard trackpad experience make it a more premium device. The Acer Aspire Go 15 offers a functional design with more ports and a number pad, which can be useful for certain users. However, it doesn't match the MacBook in terms of aesthetics, build materials, or portability. 3. Display, quality MacBook Air. 13-inch M3 display. The MacBook Air features a 13.6-inch liquid retina display with a resolution of 2560 by 1664. It supports the P3 wide color gamut and offers up to 500 nits of brightness, making it bright, vibrant, and highly color accurate. The display is ideal for creative professionals who require precise color rendering for tasks such as photo and video editing. True Tone technology. The MacBook Air also includes True Tone, which adjusts the display's white balance based on the ambient lighting in your environment, reducing eye strain and providing a more natural viewing experience. Bezels. The bezels are thin, maximizing screen real estate in a compact form factor. The Retina display delivers sharp, crisp images and text, making it a pleasure to use for extended periods. Acer Aspire Go 15 display. The Acer Aspire Go 15 comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD, 1920 by 1080, IPS display, which is solid for everyday use. It offers decent brightness and color accuracy, though it's not as vivid or sharp as the MacBook's Retina display. This display is more than adequate for tasks like watching videos, browsing, and general productivity, but falls short in terms of high-end content creation. Bezels. The bezels on the Aspire Go are slightly thicker than those on the MacBook Air, which makes the overall device larger, though this also accommodates a larger screen size. Color and brightness. While functional, the Aspire Go's display doesn't offer the same high level of color accuracy or brightness as the MacBook, making it less suited for tasks like video editing or design, where precise color representation is crucial. Display comparison. The MacBook Air's Retina display is superior in terms of resolution, brightness, and color accuracy, making it ideal for creative work and immersive visual experiences. The Acer Aspire Go's display is functional for general tasks and media consumption, but lacks the premium features and sharpness of the MacBook's display. However, it does offer a larger screen, which can be a benefit for users who prefer more screen real estate. Battery life. MacBook Air 13-inch M3 battery life. One of the standout features of the MacBook Air is its incredible battery life, thanks to the M3 chip's power efficiency. Apple claims up to 18 hours of usage on a single charge, and in real-world tests, the MacBook often gets very close to this. This makes it perfect for users who need a laptop that can last all day without needing to be recharged. Charging. It charges via USB-C, and the 30-watt adapter can fast charge the device relatively quickly. For those who need portability and long-lasting battery performance, the MacBook Air excels in this category. Acer Aspire Go 15 battery life. The Acer Aspire Go offers about 8 to 10 hours of battery life, depending on usage. While this is respectable, it's not nearly as long-lasting as the Mackie. Heavier tasks, such as video playback or gaming, will drain the battery faster. Charging. Like the MacBook, it charges via USB-C, but the charging speed and battery efficiency aren't as high-end. You might find yourself needing to recharge more frequently, especially if you're multitasking or running more demanding applications. Battery comparison. The MacBook Air M3 offers significantly better battery life, making it ideal for users who prioritize all-day usage without needing to carry around a charger. The Acer Aspire Go offers decent battery life, but if you're constantly on the go and need your laptop to last all day, it may not be as reliable. 5. Ecosystem and software integration. MacBook Air 13-inch M3. Apple ecosystem. One of the biggest advantages of the MacBook Air is its seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. If you own other Apple devices like an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, you'll benefit from features like Handoff, Universal Clipboard, and Sidecar, which turns an iPad into a secondary display. This tight integration makes switching between devices effortless. Software optimization. macOS is designed to work flawlessly with Apple's hardware, ensuring fast, reliable performance across all applications. Many apps, especially those related to creative work, are highly optimized for macOS, which contributes to better performance. Continuity features. The ability to answer phone calls, send texts, and easily transfer files between Apple devices without needing cables adds to the seamless user experience. Acer Aspire Go 15. Windows ecosystem. The Acer Aspire Go runs Windows 11, which is compatible with a vast array of software, especially in enterprise environments. Windows also supports more gaming options, with broader compatibility for PC games than Mac OS. Software compatibility. For users who rely on Microsoft Office, cloud computing, or custom enterprise software, Windows may offer better compatibility. However, Windows doesn't offer the same seamless hardware-software integration as Mac OS does for Apple products. Customization and flexibility. Windows is more flexible in terms of customization, allowing users to tweak system settings, install a wider variety of applications, and have greater control over how the system operates. Ecosystem comparison. If you are already invested in the Apple ecosystem, the MacBook Air will provide a more cohesive and streamlined experience. For users who need more software flexibility and gaming options, the Acer Aspire Go with Windows 11 might be the better choice, though it lacks the same level of optimization and fluid integration between devices as Apple's ecosystem. 6. Graphics and creative work. MacBook Air 13-inch M3. The M3 chip includes an 8-core or 10-core GPU that is incredibly powerful for an integrated graphics solution. This makes the MacBook Air capable of handling tasks like 4K video editing, graphic design, and even 3D modeling with ease. Applications such as Final Cut Pro, Adobe Photoshop, and Logic Pro run smoothly, making it a great choice for creative professionals. Despite not being a gaming laptop, the MacBook Air can handle some casual gaming and more demanding titles within macOS limitations thanks to its optimized graphics performance. Acer Aspire Go 15. The Aspire Go, depending on the configuration, typically comes with Intel Iris X or AMD Radeon integrated graphics. These are sufficient for basic creative work like light video editing or photo manipulation, but aren't on the same level as the MacBook's GPU. Some models may offer dedicated graphics, such as NVIDIA GeForce MX series, but these configurations are more expensive and still won't match the power of the MacBook Air's GPU for heavy creative workloads. Graphics comparison. The MacBook Air M3 has the edge for creative professionals who need powerful optimized graphics performance for demanding tasks. The Acer Aspire Go 15 can handle basic creative work but isn't designed for professional-grade video editing or graphic design. 7. Price and value. MacBook Air 13-inch M3. Price starts at around $1,099 for the base model with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD. Upgrades to RAM and storage can push the price up significantly, with fully spec'd out models reaching around $2,499. Value. While the price is high, the MacBook Air offers exceptional value for users who need a portable, powerful machine that can handle professional workloads. The premium build quality, display, performance, and battery life all justify the cost for many users. Acer Aspire Go 15. Price typically starts at around $600 to $800, depending on the configuration. Intel i5 or i7 or AMD Ryzen RAM and storage. Value. For budget-conscious users who need a reliable laptop for everyday tasks, the Acer Aspire Go offers excellent value. It provides decent performance at a significantly lower price point than the MacBook Air, making it a great option for students or professionals with less demanding computing needs. Price comparison. The MacBook Air is a premium device with a premium price tag, but its performance, design, and longevity make it worth the investment for many users. The Acer Aspire Go is a more affordable option, offering good performance for everyday use, but without the same level of polish, performance, or ecosystem integration. Conclusion. The MacBook Air 13-inch M3 is the superior option for users who prioritize performance, design, battery life, and seamless ecosystem integration. It's a great choice for creatives, professionals, and Apple enthusiasts who are willing to invest in a premium device that can handle demanding workloads with ease. On the other hand, the Acer Aspire Go 15 offers a more affordable solution for users who need a solid, reliable laptop for everyday computing tasks, like browsing, streaming, and light creative work. While it lacks the premium features of the MacBook Air, it provides excellent value for those on a tighter budget, particularly students or casual users. In the end, your choice will depend on your budget, specific needs, and preference for either macOS or Windows.